Welcome to our channel. Today we how to change your Amazon Prime Video parental PIN account security step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to primevideo.com. Click sign in and log in with the Amazon account that owns the Prime Video profile. If you are already signed in, confirm you are on the correct account by checking the profile icon. Click your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Account and Settings from the menu. In the Account and Settings page, click the Settings tab. Find the section labeled Parental Controls or Parental Controls PIN. Click the option that says Change or Edit next to Parental Controls PIN. Amazon will ask you to confirm your identity, so be ready for a password prompt. Enter your Amazon account password when requested. If a verification code is sent to your email or phone, open it and copy the code. Return to Prime Video and paste the verification code into the confirmation box. Click Continue or Verify to proceed to the PIN settings. In the new PIN field, enter a 4-digit number that is not easy to guess. Avoid using 0000, 1234, your birth year, or repeating numbers for better security. In the Confirm New PIN field, type the same 4-digit PIN again. Click Save, Update, or Confirm to apply the new Parental Controls PIN. Wait for the confirmation message that the PIN has been changed successfully. Now click the Parental Controls tab if it is available to review restriction settings. Set the viewing restrictions level that matches the age rating you want to protect. Turn on PIN requirement for purchases if you want extra protection against accidental rentals. Make sure PIN is required for changing restrictions so kids cannot lower the settings. If you use multiple Prime Video profiles, confirm which profiles are affected by the PIN. Test the new PIN by trying to play a restricted title or entering the settings again. If the PIN does not work, repeat the change process and carefully re-enter the digits. If you forgot the PIN, select Forgot PIN and follow the reset steps with account verification. For shared devices, sign out on public TVs after updating the PIN to prevent unauthorized access. Consider updating your Amazon password too if you suspect someone else knows your credentials. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.